So I primed my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Natural, and I'm gonna start with this red shade. And this is the Morphe 35B palette. The other two palettes that I'm gonna be using are from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and it's gonna be this orange first and then the yellow. And I'm gonna just put this right above the red. Now I'm gonna take this brush just so I can blend the orange, which is the color in between, better with the red and the yellow. I'm applying my new favorite primer. If you watched that video, then you would know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, it's gonna be in the description box, so you can go and check it out and see what product it is. It's not actually a primer, it's something I bought in the pharmacy, but it keeps you matte. So me, with oily skin, this keeps my makeup on for the entire day. So the foundation that I'll be using is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Well, I'm gonna be using two of them. So I have 410 and 400. I have to mix them to kind of get my shade. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the color Deep. I forgot to say the name of this, but I guess it's because I think you guys already know. It's the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. And I'm gonna contour my face with this Black Radiance pressed powder, and it's in the shade Black Coffee. That's what it looks like. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlight in Trophy Wife. Today's notification shout out goes out to Abigail Miriam. Thank you so much for watching, girl. I really do appreciate your support.